welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today it's kind of going to be like a little channel update and an unboxing. So let's bring you in and show you what I got from Tupperware. Alright, so I just got these 2 boxes delivered. And I'm hoping I got my camera all situated to where I can use it now. You know what I did? I had it on manual zoom, and that's why it wasn't working. So this is from Tupperware. I got the Tupperware terry cloths. I got 3 of them. My microfiber towel collection. Ooh, and I got 3 sets of those, and I got those for free because I reached my sales. I got these little snack bowls. They are on sale this month, but they're called sandwich keepers. But when you open them, you get 2. And then when you open them, they put the little top. So this is great for like your veggies or your crackers or pretzels. And then on the top, you've got the little container dish. This is what I loved about these. Because, you know, I go to the doctors a lot, or I take, you know, help people get around. So it's got the little smidget with the lid. And then it fits right in the top like so. So I can put my veggies in there or whatever, a little bit of dip, and I'm good to go. So I got 2 of those. Set that over there. I got the dark blue and the little blue one. Those are on sale. I am doing a big, huge event, and I needed catalogs. What else did I get here? Oh. Plus I had lids that were a replacement for some people. I didn't even know they came to an event and said, hey, can you replace this? Sure can. So when I put the replacement in, and if you live around me, then it doesn't, you know, it's a free replacement. I got some order forms. This I got because one of my new recruits reached her sales, his sales I should say. And I got the lasagna, Ultra Pro lasagna pan. I love it. So see, even when my recruits do, I get to. That's what's nice about being a consultant. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, these are all catalogs, brand new catalogs. When I go to my event, I'm going to hand them out. So 150 catalogs, and I'm going to make sure I put a little sticky note on them when I hand them out, that I get their name and phone number or email so I can contact them and see what they loved about our new summer catalog. Excited about that. If you get a chance, go to my website and see all the new fun stuff we got. Just saying. It's awesome. So that's my new Tupperware stuff. I wanted to tell you, the people that I had given the 59 cup bowls to, the other channels that I have visited that love these bowls, if you do gardening, canning, these are the bowls to get. Yours will be blue because that's the color that is on sale this month. But they've got the 2 handles. They are awesome, and they're called Bowls, Jumbo Bowls, 59 cup bowls. Buy one, get one for $5. Okay, I got 2 of these cans of ground tomatoes and heavy puree. I thought I had 3, but I want to do some recanning of these. I got to make room in my pantry, so I'm going to recan these up. If you want to see the video on that, please say it in the comments below, because yes, I want to get that done. And it's always good to have extra stuff out. extra product on your shelves. So far, I do got a new spiralizer with Tupperware. I want to make a meal out of that. It is so cool, so fun, and so healthy to use, you know, just to spiralize up. I can make noodles or ribbon with it. I love it. You'll be seeing a video out soon with that, with a wonderful recipe. That's about it. Besides, I got my camera fixed, and I'm so excited to be back with you all. Thank you for being patient. If you haven't been to my Tupperware site, please go to the link below. I have a party link going. Check it out. Wonderful sales. I will put the images in the back of the video for you so you can see some of the stuff that's going on. But it's always best to visit my Tupperware link, angiespantry.my.tupperware.com. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a wonderful weekend and a happy Mother's Day to all you out there. And if you don't have children but you got fur babies, you're still a mother. Happy Mother's Day. Big hugs. Glad to be back. Bye.